The woman you see behind me is one of a kind because she lives in the middle of the desert.
Hi, my name is Uschi. I am the German camel lady.
This is Uschi, a German lady who lives here in the middle of the desert with 30 camels of her own. Why? This is why. 20 years ago, Uschi lived in a city in Germany with her own 9-to-5 job. But at some point, she had a change of heart. She wanted to feel happy and do something radical.
So I told that time to the travel agent, take me to a land with lots of sun and lots of camel and no Germans.
So she ended up here in the desert in the Emirates, far away from any highway. She put up a small house, hired guys to help her, and raised a few camels.
I came into farming life, into camel life, and I love it. Halas.
Halas. This desert life may look hard, but she loves it. For 20 years, she's been here living her best life. No need for a city, no need for civilization, no need for a husband.
I have no time for husband. I have to take care about 30 camels, like this. 30 camels.
After 20 years of this desert life, she couldn't help but become a little bit Arab. She learned the language.
Kef Elal, Kef Saha, Kef Anta,
She learned the traditions and she got used to the desert life. But every now and then, you see the German inside of her.
A lot of my soul and my life, it's the Arab world. But from inside, I'm a German. I'm very strong. I'm very powerful, you know. It will be hard.
She is very strict with her staff.
Winner de Portugal. Win what the hua.
She is obsessed with German engineering. And she drives the desert like it's a German Autobahn. You like her?
I like Camel Uschi, I like Uschi. It's very, very nice woman. And for Germany. I love it.
In the desert, Achsen, in Autobahn in Germany.
In the United Arab Emirates, there is a German lady who decided to live life on her own terms, without corporate ladders, without city traffic, without stress.
Here I'm more healthy than anywhere in the world. Really.
And when she did that, she found herself in the middle of the desert with 30 camels in her backyard and 3 helpers in her front yard, with delicious food around and incredible happiness inside.